Hi, welcome back. Purify, Clementine. Let's chat about them. How's that sound? Today you're going to grab yourself a Purify and you're going to get Clementine for free. Purify is all things stink. If you want to get the stink out, you need Purify, all right? What do I mean by that? Stinky shoes? That gym bag that really stinks, and you want to freshen up your laundry, Purify is going to be your go-to. You got a garbage can that is just woo! Grab yourself some Purify and attack it all, because it's going to change your life. All right, it's going to help clean the air and sanitize and clean up any sort of surfaces that you might have. Now, you can't go and grab your conventional cleaner, let's say from Target or Walmart, and clean your surface and then turn around and go ahead and put it on a blemish that you might have. You could, it's probably not highly suggested. However, with Purify, you can go ahead and clean your surfaces and then turn around and apply it on a blemish that you might have and help take care of that, which is awesome. Okay? In addition to that, you can use it on your dryer balls to help clean and purify sort of your laundry a little bit. Okay? If you have seasonal discomfort, right now we're kind of in that limbo season where people's seasonal discomfort have kind of leveled off, right? And so we are walking into fall soon, not too soon, slow down summer, but we're walking into there, and so Purify is going to help your body in that discomfort that you might have that's associated with that, okay? It's going to help repel insects. Say goodbye to the creepy crawlers that you don't want around you. This is a great one to use if you're outside on your patio. Spritz it on yourself if you want. Add it to your bug spray, whatever it may be. But it's a nice blend that has a lot of insect repelling oils in it. Okay? Lymphatic support. If you need some help with the drainage or lymphatic support that way, you can add it to a massage. You can add it to where your lymph nodes are sort of bugging you and massage it and work its way around. I mentioned stinky shoes and all things stink. I know that for myself and my family, that's mostly what I lean and reach for Purify for. When we want to get gym clothes or that bag of sweaty stuff that you swear, or your kids swear, that they took care of, and then a week later you find it and you open it up and you think a dead body is inside. Purify to the rescue. Not that happened in my house. Okay, so now what are you going to get for free? You are actually going to get Clementine. Okay, we've seen this a couple of times. It's not one of the ones that you can actually log into your shopping cart and add it to on a regular basis. So today's BOGO is super special. Grab it, stock up on it. Okay, you're thinking another citrus oil. Do I really need another citrus oil? Here's what I'd like to say to you. Do you sometimes always go for a lime? Do you always go for a lemon, or do you like to switch it up? Because if you like to switch it up a little bit, because each citrus oil has different properties and the chemical constitute of them are different, you want to have a variety. And who doesn't like to switch things up, okay? Clementine in some Greek yogurt makes an amazing fruit dip, which is super yummy. In addition to that, let's talk about some other things that Clementine is great for. It's going to uplift your mood. If you are just kind of... This is a mood booster in a good lifting way, okay? It's going to help with any sort of mental fatigue that you might have going on. It's a lymphatic support. Did we just talk about that with Purify? Wow. So you can actually layer these two together on your limbs and massage and work that out, which is great. Organ support. In addition to organ support, this is going to help digestion. So if you've got some digestive stuff and you really don't like the smell of, let's say, digestion, use some Clementine. Rub it on your belly, put it in your water. Let's see how we can get things moving out, okay? This is actually going to help balance any sort of dry skin that you have or oily skin. This is the beautiful thing about essential oils. They work with your body and they know what's going on. They're sometimes smarter than us, sometimes. So just take some alcohol-free witch hazel, couple drops of Clementine, and use that as an astringent, you know what I'm trying to say, before you go to bed. Just be careful because it is a citrus oil, so it has photosensitivity properties to it. So do it at night and just stay out of direct sun for about 12 hours. By the morning, you'll be good to go. It's a great one to cleanse the hair. You've got product buildup. Maybe you have been swimming a ton this summer and you just haven't been really conscious of using deodorant or the chlorine spray that I have talked about in the past. And so your hair just kind of needs to be refreshed. Add a few drops to your shampoo. The new shampoo from doTERRA is amazing, just saying. And wash your hair. And it's going to help just cleanse the hair and bring it back to life, which is awesome. Okay, so to recap it for you, it's grab yourself a Purify and get Clementine for free. And reach out if you have any questions. And happy whatever day of BOGOs this is.